Today we are taking JaSai to go get his wrist fixed. We were working out last week and poor baby fell. And he had no scratches, no bruises. And I thought that he was okay, you know what I'm saying? We carried on for a whole week and we just found out yesterday that he actually has 2 fractured bones in his wrist. So we're going today to see if we can get a cast put on it. Come on, let's go. They're still asleep down here. Let's wake them up. No judgment. My children sleep downstairs on the floor with their father. But they're so cute. My loves. My loves. It's time to wake up. Time to wake up, babies. We gotta head out to the doctor's appointment. Come on, Jace, you can go back to sleep at grandma's house. Look at you looking like a dreadhead. You're not sleepy anymore? All right, guys, let's do this. High five. All right. So we got some breakfast. Just sat back here watching a movie. How you feeling, babe?
A little bit good.
A little bit good. How's your wrist feel?
These big wood stick things are called trees.
A little bit.
Big rocks.
It feels okay. You excited to go get it fixed today? You know they're gonna put a cast on your arm, right? Yeah, you ready for that? It's gonna be on for weeks. Let's see what kind of breakfast we got here.
How many times was he saying it? And the incredible.
We got napkins.
If you don't use cocaine, how am I supposed to know that
I got. This is my first time ever getting a Wendy's breakfast. I promise you, I've never had it before. And the name.
These are kind of like fries.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Nice and easy. Just rip it off fast, like a Band-Aid.
Hold still.
I gotta change the setting on my camera because for some reason it doesn't like, it wants to only catch faces. So I have to change that setting. Like,
Actually, you guys can't really see this, but this is actually a burger.
it's a biscuit.
This is a biscuit.
Biscuit. It's a biscuit with egg and cheese and bacon. Okay, I'm only gonna take half of it. You can have the other half. That was it. It's just ketchup in there.
Oh, there's jelly.
Yeah, jelly for the biscuit if you want it. And I don't want any of the bacon. You can have all of the bacon.
Yeah.
I don't want any of that.
What do you got? What do you
All of that.
Wood.
There you go.
Right?
There's the breakfast comes with
Okay.
bacon. Breakfast.
Hey, guys, check it
comes
out.
with bacon.
There goes the
There you go.
largest
Here.
North America. The mighty
for you.
grizzly.
And he's a good dancer. We're gonna be in the show. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, that's my good antler.
You want to put jelly on it?
Listen, simple. We are not we. It's just me. And we ain't doing no show.
Eva,
What?
I understand what's going on here. You're a little crabby because you're hungry.
And then we have some orange juice. Mini orange juice.
You sure you want me to put it on it?
Can't eat that.
Oh, be careful. You sure you want me to put it on it?
Well, what do bears eat?
Jelly on it?
Fish. Bears eat fish. All right, fishies, give it up for Boo.
I go out walking after midnight, searching for food.
forgot we used the
Hey,
potty.
incredible Mr. E. Yes, mister? I got it. Well, good. Oh, I know. What? No, the think tank. The log cabin. The cabin on the spot. The Oval Office.
There's none of those things out here.
Well, what do you do?
You know, I can't remember. But listen, don't look now.
Alright.
But I see a little bush with your name written all over it.
A bush. Are you serious?
Come on! It's like riding a bicycle, only you're trapped on it. Show us your grr face. Ain't your boy. Grr.
Hey. I'm working here. Now go.
All right. You've had your fun. Nothing to see here. Let the bear do his thing. My bed went up.
Aww. Made a complete mess. You ready to go in here? DiMaggio Center. Ready? Here we go. Let's go. So what did the doctor say?
I had to have
A cast.
a cast on for 3 days.
Uh-uh.
No, wait. I don't remember.
A lot longer than 3 days. What did he say? He said 3 weeks.
Oh,
3 weeks. And then you got to choose your color. What color did you choose?
orange.
So you got to get an orange cast on your left arm.
So, Mom, you gotta make sure this never gets wet. Don't ever let him put anything inside of it to scratch or put toys to play with it.
Okay.
Because you don't want a skin growing around that foreign object, okay? And don't let him hit anybody.
So don't let it get wet, so it'll be
No.
okay if he takes showers and things?
You have to cover it up with a plastic bag and you have to sponge bathe him.
Okay.
Because it can't get wet. Mold and fungus will grow on the skin and it's not pretty, okay?
Okay.
All right, orange time.
When do you do?
January.
Oh, wow, you look awesome for what?
Oh,
It's
thank-
October.
Yeah.
You're 6 months pregnant?
Yeah, almost 7.
Dang.
Thank you.
This is my cast.
Yeah.
We just went to the nurse's office and I got an orange cast and it's solid.
Mm-hmm.
The only way how you can get out of this is something. Cut it open or something. I don't know how to do this, but the doctors will take it off with the weeks are done.